In this video, we are going to show you how to add a camera shutter click transition in CapCut Mobile. Now, this is a very cool transition that is available in CapCut. So I'm going to start from scratch so you can see, right? So we want to tap on edit and then tap new video and then just choose the clips that you want. You need at least two. Tap add because you do need the transition, of course, and scroll down on your timeline until you see this box, this white box in between these two clips. Tap that. It's going to have a slide up, and you want to scroll to the very right until you see distortion, right? So tap on distortion, and here we want to look for shutter, right? So scroll down a bit until you see shutter, right? There we go. We see shutter over here on our left-hand side. We want to tap that, and when you tap an effect, it's going to give you a preview. There you go. Pretty cool, right? So if you look at the bottom of your screen, this is where you adjust the speed, right? Towards the left, or the shorter the duration, the faster the transition. If you want it to be a bit more smoother, maybe you want to go to the right like so. It actually looks better. If we want just a bit more to make it perfect, there we go. Scroll it to be to the left more. There we go. I think that's perfect. And once you are satisfied with your adjustment, you want to tap on the check mark here on the right hand side like so to confirm. And if we go to here, so we just see it play, there we go. That is how you do it. Pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribing. That bell icon. Will see you on the next video.